Getting your first 1,000 subscriber as a YouTuber can be very frustrating and stressful. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get 1,000 subscribers in 30 days by just using a simple AI tool. This tool is free. You don't need to pay any money to access it. So in today's video, I'll be telling you the tool. I'll be showing you how to get it and how to use it to get your first 1,000 subscriber. So if you are new here, I'm Tony and I make videos about how to grow a YouTube channel and monetization stuff like that. So I'll advise you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the video.
So the first thing first, you come over to your YouTube app, then you look for any trending video, any video in your niche that has a lot of views. That's what you first thing you need to do first. You're just going to search for any trending video. So let me just say I'm looking for a video that how to get 4,000 watch hour. So there's a lot of video right here. So I'm just going to pick the one that has a lot of views. So I'm going to pick this one. I'm just going to search. So that's the first thing you need to do, and you are going to be using ChatGPT to do this. So it's very easy. So you just come here, you click on the video, you look at the video description. You are going to copy everything at the video description. You just copy the description where you're just going to copy everything. Then once you are done copying it, you are going to head over to your ChatGPT to paste it. So just follow me. So I'm just going to copy it, head over to my ChatGPT. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to tell it to like give me a highly ranked or a right and well optimized video description for me using this format. So ChatGPT is going to redefine it. ChatGPT is going to give us another description, not exactly this type, but another one with highly ranked keyword. This is the first thing you need to do, or in order to get your first 1,000 subscriber. And a lot of my students and me too have done this in other of my channel, and it's working, because what made YouTube to push that first video is what is going to still make them to push this video if you can just follow everything I'm saying. I know it will sound like if you are trying to copy them or you're copying, but this is not actually copying. You're not going to get any strike. So just so that ChatGPT has given us a whole lot of thing, like we have gotten our new description and a whole lot of brand new tags. So you are going to head over to your YouTube studio right now. So you're going to click on the video you want to upload. Okay, I want to upload this video. So now I'm going to click on description. I'm going to paste it. Everything you copied from ChatGPT, you're just going to come here and paste it. Then now the next thing is our title. For the title, you copy the exact same title. So you're just going to copy this exact title. I got 3,600 watch hour in 7 hours. So you're just going to copy it, come here and put in that exact same title. That's what you are going to do. So you're just going to put in the exact same title. As for your thumbnail, I will advise you design your own thumbnail, so you can get inspiration from that thumbnail to remake your own, like to make a better thumbnail. So I'm done putting the title. So once you are done putting the title, the next thing is you are going to add your tags. Tags are very important. So after that, you add your tags. You put your video inside a playlist. So I'm going to add this video to a playlist. So this is one of my playlists, how to grow on YouTube. There you scroll down, you click on attributes. You're going to see AI use. This, if your content is not AI, you put it on no. Then you select a category. YouTube has a lot of category: education, entertainment, how to style. But my niche is on educational, is on how to style. So I'm going to put it there, and I'm going to come back to ChatGPT again. I'm going to tell it to write or give us a highly ranked tags, like 15 highly ranked tags that can make this video to go viral very fast. So that's the next thing we are going to do. So ChatGPT is going to generate 15 highly ranked tags for us, so that we're able to put it in our video, and you're going to see yourself accumulating a lot of views, getting a lot of subscribers. So we're going to copy those tags. So you're going to copy it, you come back to your YouTube studio, and you're going to paste the tags, and this is it. Try this and see yourself getting a lot of views.
So you can start doing this and start seeing yourself getting a lot of subscribers and views and getting your channel monetized. So now we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, I want you to do me a favor to please hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that YouTube is going to send you a notification whenever I drop another video. Till I see you, peace out.